Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. I did have some issues off camera, so my progress is going to be a little bit further than what we last saw. I didn't do a lot, but I've got some new slimes on the ranch that I'm excited about. But I did lose some of the footage, so that won't be up. But I promise you didn't miss a lot. So we have a new message, but the slimes that I got are honey hunter largos. And they caused me some issues when I first turned them into largos. They were all angry, and I don't know why. That was the thing I haven't seen before. Oh, and I also have these guys. Tabby rock tabby largos. But they're also really cute. But for some reason the tabbies won't eat the rock plorts. Haven't quite figured that out yet. Oh, I think they just did. Coolio. Excuse me. I also desperately need a plort collector in this one. You can go in there. Because they bite you. They're so cute. Okay, let's go sell all these and see what we can do. Okay, I have 820. I can either put a net on those guys, because I think they're going to jump out. Or I could put a port collector on this one. I think I'll just do the port collector. These people hurt you. These guys hurt. But I do need to start getting air nets on everything. Do I know what your favorite food is? Oh, because I haven't actually seen. Okay, interesting. Mint mango is the honey's favorite. I don't have those, so y'all are gonna have to wait for that. I'm sorry. But you guys eat meat, so that works. But a lot of that going around. A lot of that going around. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, anything else? Oh, I did want to get an upgrade of some kind. I don't remember which one yet. See, this is so much easier than trying to fight them for their own poop. Okay, let's... Oh, I wanted the resource collector. This guy. All right. Adds a resonator to the vac suction mechanism that shakes loose science resources from nodes in the environment. I don't know how to use it yet, but I'll figure it out. Oh, it's the Slimepedia. Okay. They're so cute. All right. Oh, we have the message. Right. I was like, I'm forgetting something. From Victor. Oh, and Ogden. Hello, Beatrix. Seeing as you've taken an interest in building gadgets, I put together a little housewarming gift in support of both your pragmatic and creative endeavors. Looking forward to seeing what you build. A med station. Oh, and a table. 2 tables. A chair. 3 chairs. Okay, thank you. Hola, Beatrix. Are you there? It's me, Ogden Ortiz. I hear you're off on a big new adventure on a mysterious island filled with secrets, danger, and maybe a few succulent fruits or veggies the world has never seen before? You know I had to ask. Ever since you got me a steady supply of cucadoba fruits, I've been reaching even greater culinary heights within the far, far range. Plus, I'm getting pretty tired of eating cucadoba pie, cucadoba souffle, cucadoba pudding, cucadoba carne, not cream, carne, cucadoba cucadoba. I'm running out of ideas and willpower. So if you see something new, please tell me about it. Tasty treats aside, I want to know all about the new flora and fauna you discover. Never forget, every bit of this wide world is precious and worth of our care and respect. And stay hydrated out there. All that adventuring will work up a sweat, so take this water tap. Good luck, Beatrix. Keep me posted. I'm rooting for you. Well, thank you. Check them out in the gadget mode. Oh, I don't really need it in the favorites, but I wanna... Tables. Where do I want this table? Right there. Can I rotate? And I want a chair right there. And a chair right there. Oh. How cute. Alright. I think it's time. We set off on the big adventure. Alright, I'll take you guys back to where you go. Since I'm heading that way anyway. It's not this way. Why are you taking damage? How interesting. Go that way, I guess. Oh, because it's raining! That's cool. That's a nice level of detail. Where am I going? This way. Oh, I'm out of stamina. I'm like, why can't I go? I just want to go. Jellystone. It's both solid and squishy at the same time. Any other resources? Deep brine. Salt of the earth kind of stuff. Alright, well, let's skedaddle. I did open one of those doors, and that was pretty cool. There was like a little, like a little chest in it. Oh, what? Where? Oh, did you motherfuckers eat my lucky slime flirt? You suck. I know that's like exactly the point they're supposed to suck, Have I seen you? Oh, yes, I have. Oh, yeah, you're the thing that needs the honey plort. Which I didn't bring one with me, but I know there's some here. So I'll just have to remember how I'm getting here and then how to get back. Because that is the hard part. And there's also honey up here. Buzzwax can be used to make a great scented candle if you enjoy the smell of bee abdominal glands. Oh, is the other one gone? I think the other one's gone. I feel bad for these guys, but there's nothing I can do. I only adventure at night. Don't go that way. Don't go that way. Where are the honey slimes? I'm already getting lost again. Oh no. This is wild honey. Oh, I died? What? I was at 80 health. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Go down. I was at 80 health. I thought. No, my slimes are hungry and angry. Pronto cart, not now. And I have a new message. Whoa. Okay. I need to leave all of these guys in here. No! What are you doing? Oh my gosh. You're so dramatic. There's food in here for you. Okay, no, there is all 5 in there. I need to get you guys an airnet. ASAP, I guess. Thunderstorms? Hair raising if slimes had hair. Ah. I'm the type of person that is scared of thunderstorms. Any type of severe weather, I get pretty nervous about it. But I do live in Tornado Alley, so it does kind of makes a little bit of sense. But I still don't like it. Okay, let's go get an airnet. Okay. How did you escape? Alright, you know what? Get back in here. Crybaby asses. All but one. Do they sell for a lot? Oh, the hunter plorts can, yeah. I just have to remember not to sell the honey plate. Okay, let's head out, I guess. Now that I've died a few times. It's okay. Now I don't have to worry about getting super lost because I have the honey plate in my inventory this time. But hey, if there's any tars, at least they'll take damage by just existing today. Since it's raining. Oh, it's a chicken. I was like, what was that? Oh, duh, it's over here. But I can't take you, can I? No, I can't. I don't have any meat on me. By the time I get back, you're gonna be gone. This is so upsetting. Okay, maybe they won't be gone. Maybe they'll still be there. I doubt it. Yeah, they're gone. Ah! That's the second time I've ran into a lucky slime and have not been able to feed it. Okay, now let's remember where the door is for the honey plort. Is it this one? There's a lot of doors in this place. No, it's not even over here. It's this one. Open sesame. Thank you. That little guy scared me. I was like, oh! Oh my god, it's the one that I was already in here for. I was already in this one. Well, okay. That's fine. Any resources? I don't see none. Oh, there's a honey gordo up there. There's the map. Oh my gosh, how cute. I'm thinking I should have done this. That's adorable. I don't know how to get up there. I don't have a jetpack. I don't think I could just go around. Excuse me, I was looking. I think you just ate what I wanted it. Do I know favored by Tangle slimes? Angler slimes, tabbies, none. Oh, Brewstros like hunter slimes. Or other way around. Hunter slimes like Brewstros. Interesting. Did not know that. What did I mix them with? The honey slimes? And they like mint mango. Okay. Well, I guess I'll get some painted hens just to fill up my coop with. Thought it was raining. They're not supposed to exist if it's raining. There's the map. I can't get over there. This is so upsetting. Oh, it is raining. Please! Yeah, see, this was the rock statue I filled. Can I just, like, come here? Can I just drown you? Alright, that was a little bit much for me. Mint mango. Oh, they must come from that tree. Oh, I can't get up here either. Ah, I need the jetpack. How do I get the jetpack again? I need 10 frost, 10 radiant ore. I don't even know where to get that. I also want this. That's easy. Yeah, sure, I'll take all these, dang. It's free. And I know how to get back. It's through this door. This way. This way through this door. I do think it's a little silly that you have to pay for both sides of the door, but it's alright. Oh, I can't get up there. When nature means business? Am I gonna get struck down by lightning? Preferably not, please. They don't even eat fruit, and they're running away with it. That was cute. This way, Anne. I like the sound that makes. It's very cute. Okay, so I have water lettuce. Okay, let's figure this out. These guys like the water lettuce, and I'm growing water lettuce for them. These guys like briar hints, and I am growing briar hints for them. These guys like mint mangoes, so I should grow those for them. Another new message. Yep, now it's fully upgraded. That works. Way before this one is. That's fine. So who likes fruits? You guys like lettuce. Oh, you guys will eat fruits too. I've got food growing for y'all. Don't worry. I really don't want to use up my roosters though, because I don't have a lot of them. So... I've got the air net on this bad boy. Like, it scared me. It was like in the corner of my eye. Oh, it's the lettuce. I'm so scared of tars breaking out on the slime, dude. Okay. Do I want to give somebody an auto feeder? Let's give these guys an auto feeder because they get mean. So let me pick all these guys back up. Oh, it would help if I'm on the right inventory nodule. Okay, I need 10 tabby slimes. And I think I just sold them all. Wind? Hold on to your plorts. How many damn weather events am I gonna get? All of them, I guess. Okay. Let's go see how much everything is downstairs that I want. So I've got that. Heart module. Power core would be nice. So I need 10 cotton plorts. A jetpack I can't even do yet. That would also be really nice. That would also be nice. So with that, a flutter port. So I need tabby plorts, phosphor plort, and cotton plorts. Okay. Maybe I can just go out into the wild and collect them, since these guys aren't really hungry. Yeah. What's up, Victor? Beatrix, I've done it. I believe I've cracked the super mysterious code that was sent to me. It was astoundingly complex. I believe that the AI that created this code displayed a comparable intellect to my own. So very advanced. Almost alien? Oh, you're probably wondering what it said. Well, I determined this mysterious, perhaps even AI sent a message that says, hello. Not much, but pleasantries count for something. More important, though, the moment I cracked it, I received another message. It's almost as though this mysterious AI is monitoring me. How exciting! I haven't decrypted it yet, but the code is considerably more complex. This should be fun. Well, back to work as ever. Cute. Okay. Phosphor, tabby, cotton. Phosphor, tabby, cotton. I might be able to get the phosphors and tabbies, not tabbies, cottons, while I'm out. No! Let me have it. Thank you. And the phosphors, maybe, but we'll have to see. I think this is just going to be a lot of... Hey, I figured out what that meant before it spelled disaster. Okay, now I need phosphor floats. Okay, I have 4 different types of slimes in here. That is disastrous. Come on, I need you guys to eat. Oh. I don't need these guys. Well, that came all the way from over there. Phosphor plates? Phosphor plates. There's no phosphors in here. Looking around for stuff that doesn't exist. I don't have any fruit on me either. No! Oh, more jellystone, though. Oh, there's a lot more. Oh, they're pink. Oh. They're pink. They'll eat anything. Will you eat this? Not you. Did you not spit out a plort? Oh no, you just didn't eat it. Here you go. What about you? Will you eat it? Oh, somebody else ate it. Alright. Hi, bud. I am gonna need back there eventually. I only have 3. This isn't going anywhere near how I expected it to go. I thought this would be so much easier to collect phosphor plorts. That is a cotton plort. Well. Easier said than done, I suppose. There's not enough fruit anywhere either. Would you like a pogo fruit? Peace offering? They're not hungry. What about you? No. Well, I thought more would spawn. Okay. I'll go back. Oh, wait. Oh, hi, little guy. You want something? You want food? You want food? Go get it. Yummy. Thank you. Do you want another one? Where'd you go? You want another one? You want another one? I just bonk you with it. Usually that gets you. The little spin was so cute. Do you want a pogo fruit? I am halfway there. I think I'm gonna go back though. Okay. I don't have any food for you. Let's go down and store these away. Except I think I only need 10 cotton plorts right now. 10 cotton plorts, 10 tabby plorts, 10 phosphor plorts. Okay. Oh, I should store these too. So the plorts are like a little stock market, but honestly, I just sell what I want to sell. It's too much to ask my little brain to keep track of the prices and stuff too. Okay, and I need 10 tabby plorts. I cannot forget that part. Okay, let's go put these downstairs. I didn't think I was going to get it, so I stepped forward. Okay, perfect. These are grown up. So I will take the chickens out of the auto feeder and put in the mangoes. I'll throw 2 in there just for fun. Perfect. So then I think everybody's getting fed something that they really like. So I'm getting double the plorts. Much excitement, much excitement. Okay. Alright, let's get some of these guys set up with auto feeders. Actually, I think I want to upgrade the garden. I don't have quite enough for the scarecrow, but that should grow a little bit faster now. They're so cute. Alright, everybody, that is where I'm going to leave this episode for today. It was a bit longer just because I kind of ruined the footage between episodes 2 and 3. So, have some extra content to make up for that. I hope I will see you all in the next episode. I love all of you, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!